In this tutorial, I quickly show you how to export a still frame. But before, make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on any upcoming videos. First, we are going to the settings in the left right upper corner. Then we press on File, go down to Share, open Add Destination. Here we can now see we have a destination Save Current Frame. This we will drag to the left, and now we can close the settings. In the next step, we will choose the exact frame we would like to export. Let's say this one right here. Go in the upper right corner where we usually export our videos, press on the button, and now we can see we have here a new button, Save Current Frame. Then we press on here. Here we can name it. Then we can go to Settings and choose what kind of file we would like to export it to. I usually go with JPEG, so I press on that, go to Next, and now we can choose the folder we would like to export the picture to. So you can just press on Save and you have finished exporting the new picture. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and thumbs up.